How to clean gold jewelry with baking soda. Baking soda is a natural and environmentally friendly way to clean your gold. You can use a baking soda vinegar or a baking soda dish soap solution to clean your gold pieces. You can also use baking soda and boiling water to clean your gold. If your gold contains pearls, avoid cleaning it with baking soda. Discover an easy and effective way to clean gold using baking soda in this tutorial. We'll demonstrate step-by-step instructions on how to use baking soda to restore the shine of your gold items. Watch now to learn this budget-friendly gold cleaning hack and keep your gold items looking brilliant and lustrous. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to using baking soda and vinegar, trying baking soda and dish soap, and using baking soda and boiling water. Now let's get started. Method 1. Using baking soda and vinegar. Number 1. Mix 3 parts baking soda to 1 part water. Mix the ingredients together until a thick paste forms. The paste should have a toothpaste-like consistency. Number 2. Apply the paste with a cotton swab. You can also use a sponge to apply the paste. Cover the entire piece of gold with the paste. Then place the piece of gold in a small plastic cup or container. Number 3. Pour vinegar over the gold. Use distilled white vinegar. The gold should be completely submerged in the vinegar. Let the gold set in the vinegar for 5 minutes. Number 4. Rinse and dry the gold. Place the gold under warm running water. Rinse the gold thoroughly until the baking soda vinegar solution is removed. Use a soft cloth to dry your pieces of gold. If the gold is still dirty, then repeat steps 1 through 4, or use a different method. Also, try to avoid scrubbing the gold with a toothbrush to clean it. You may accidentally scratch it by scrubbing it with baking soda and a toothbrush. Do not use this method for pieces of gold that contain pearls and gemstones. The combination of baking soda and vinegar may damage them. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Trying baking soda and dish soap. Number 1. Combine warm water, dish soap, and baking soda in a bowl. Use 1 cup, 236.6 milliliters of water, a teaspoon, 4.93 milliliters of dish soap and a teaspoon of baking soda. Mix the ingredients together until they are well combined and the baking soda is dissolved. If this does not make enough solution, then just double or triple the recipe. Number 2. Place the gold in the solution. Make sure the gold is fully submerged in the solution. Let the gold set in the solution for 20 to 30 minutes. Number 3. Gently scrub the gold. Use a new, or unused, soft bristled toothbrush to do this. Scrub the gold with the toothbrush until all of the built-up dirt and grime are removed. Only scrub the gold if the solution did not remove the built-up dirt and grime. Avoid scrubbing your gold too hard. You may scratch the gold by scrubbing it too hard. Number 4. Rinse and dry the gold. Place your gold under warm running water. Rinse the gold thoroughly until all of the solution is removed. Use a soft cloth to dry the gold thoroughly until all the water is removed. This method is safe to use on gold pieces that contain diamonds. This method is not safe for gold that contains pearls. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. Using baking soda and boiling water. Number 1. Line a glass bowl with aluminum foil. Make sure the shiny side is facing up. If you have more than 2 pieces of gold, then line a flat surface, like a glass pan or a cookie sheet, with foil. This way you can ensure that each piece of gold is touching the foil. Number 2. Cover the gold with baking soda. Place the gold in the bowl, or pan, making sure each piece of gold is touching the foil. Sprinkle an adequate amount of baking soda onto the gold pieces until they are completely covered. You should not be able to see the gold pieces. Number 3. Pour boiling water over the gold. Heat 1 to 2 cups, 240 to 480 milliliters, of water in the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes, or until it is boiling. Then pour the boiling water over the gold until it is completely submerged. Let the jewelry soak for 3 to 5 minutes. Alternatively, you can use your stove to heat the water, about 8 to 10 minutes on a high heat setting. Number 4. Rinse and dry. After your gold has finished soaking, use tongs to remove the gold from the water. Rinse the gold thoroughly under cold running water. Then dry it with a soft cloth until all the water is removed from the gold. Do not use this method if your gold contains glued-on crystals or pearls. The boiling water can unglue the crystals and damage the pearls. This method is safe for gold that contains gemstones, unless the gemstones are glued on. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips to keep gold jewelry clean longer. 1. Remove gold jewelry when washing your hands or bathing to prevent soap scum from forming on the surface. 2. Remove all jewelry before entering a hot tub, swimming pool, or the beach. Harsh chemicals like chlorine, acids, sulfur, and salt can damage or discolor gold, particularly items less than 24 carats. Chlorine can weaken your gold jewelry structure and eventually lead to its breaking. 3. Avoid exposing gold jewelry to hairsprays, makeup, medicated lotions, and creams. 4. Carefully store gold jewelry in separate compartments of a fabric-lined jewelry box to prevent items from scratching each other and dulling the finish. 5. Avoid cleaning gold with ammonia. You can use it, but it is a strong chemical that is caustic. Some will use it for deep cleaning of jewelry. But, be judicious. If you overuse it, it can wear down your gold. Also, ammonia may not be safe for other types of jewelry like platinum or pearls, so be cautious when using it.